Hi parents, I'm going to teach you on how to teach your kids to jump up and down independently on trampoline with prompting modeling prompt. So prompting means to guide or assist them. So how we can assist them using modeling? So with kids that have the skill to jump, but maybe they require some modeling initiation like this. Alright, let's say your kid's name, do this, whoop, in the trampoline. So they would immediately follow what you did. This is considered modeling prompt. Do this, wow, very good. So this is the example you can use for modeling prompt. So initiating to model the action jumping, up, down. And the most important thing is the do this part. It's for the modeling prompt.